India is entering a new phase of digital public infrastructure where voice becomes the most natural interface of interaction. Bhashini, India's national language infrastructure model, along with Voicera, is open execution stack enabled secure, scalable multilingual systems while preserving India's linguistic heritage. DD India's Tanvi Taneja spoke with Amitabh Nag, Chief Executive Officer, Digital India Bhashini Division, during the ongoing India AI Impact Summit.
Bhashini is an Indian language learning model, diversifying its length and diversifying into the length and breadth of the country by incorporating different languages of our country. I have with me Amitabh Nag, CEO of Bhashini. Let's speak to him and find out what Bhashini is all about. Tell us more about Bhashini and the response it has created among public here at the Expo.
Yeah, so we, as you know, it is Bhasha Interface for India. That is what Bhashini is all about. And we have actually, over a period of time in last few years, have done quite well in terms of deploying it across use cases. So we today have 8 of the major use cases which are there, which are actually deployed to help farmers, to help other cooperatives and other people, which are basically the large scale use cases for us, where we are doing voice journey. Voice journey would mean that you are interacting with digital systems in your own language on voice, and you are able to get the response from the digital systems in voice. So if my language is Marathi, I will get the response in Marathi, and whatever I have asked to the machine, it will be responding in that. This is besides the text translation. Text translations are applicable on website translation, document translation, video translation. Those are also the applications which we are carrying out. And then there are multiple applications which are related to panchayats, rural development, and other areas where voice inflection is very important, and that too in local language. We have deployed Shrutlekh, which is basically real-time transcription and translation system across many of the sessions which are happening. So AI is not remaining for English people. It is there in Hindi, it is there in other languages as well for the people to understand.
Any advice you would want to give to the young population to download Bhashini, learn the languages, preserve the languages, anything that you want to add?
And also contribute, because we have 2 platforms here. One is Samuday, which is basically creating a community of language or AI workers. And second is Bhasha Dan, which actually we are trying to capture the Bolchal ki Bhasha, which is different from the written language. And once that is captured, then models will be rich on Bolchal ki Bhasha also. So those are the 2 things which we are urging the people to do. In return, of course, we are saying that you can use the mobile app and bridge the language. And there are a lot of people are getting benefited by that.
Yeah, so Bhasha Dan is a unique concept to preserve language, Indian indigenous vernacular dialects also going into the tribal heartland of the country. That's what Amitabh Nag has spoken to me just now about. Brilliant initiative there by Bhashini with Sunil Kumar. This is Tanvi Taneja for DD India.